In this video, we'll learn how to search and find open RFQs with longer lead times. This is a great way to find RFQs with proper expectations, hence giving you the longer time needed to deliver. Lead times are specified with the delivery days attribute in DLA. In Loocey, we have a delivery days column on the RFQs page, and as you can see, there are different values based, some shorter and some longer depending on RFQ specifications. It's super easy in Loocey to filter and find the RFQs that have longer delivery days or lead times. Let's open filters, add a new filter, select delivery days column and greater than condition and set the value to 100. Then hit apply. This way, the system will show us the RFQs with a lead time of 100 days or more. As you can see, now we have a list of open RFQs with longer lead times based on our setting of 100 or more delivery days. You can change the filter to fit your needs. To save the filter, let's click on Save As and name it Long Lead Time and save. This will save our search filters and create a new tab at the top. The saved searches, also called saved views, are a great way to save your filter so when you come back tomorrow or in the future, all of your saved views will be easily accessible with all of your filters already saved. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.